Hey everybody, Rick here. You've seen our indoor smoker recipes. We love making those and we love getting feedback on what you would like to see next. Well, now we've decided to put those together into our recipe cookbook. So you can take our learnings, our best practices, and use them yourself in your home. And the best part is it's available right now. So we have been working on these recipes for a while now, and some of them started off as failures, like a 5-pound meatball over a pot of chili that should be more like a 1 to 2 pound meatball. Lots of people have been asking for kind of the best recipes that we've developed over the years, and so now we've got that together. Ellie has been working diligently on putting those recipes together and working with the editors and everything to get those fine-tuned. So let's turn it over to Ellie so she can tell you more about the project.
Hi, I'm Ellie. I'm the co-op here, and I've currently been working on doing the cookbook for the indoor smoker. It's been a lot of fun. Normally a lot of our stuff is super technical and engineering, so it's been such a fun break to get to work on recipes and design a cookbook and all that. Some of my favorite parts of this have been getting to try out new recipes. It's been so good. I've loved the pulled chicken. The brisket Rick makes is amazing. The peaches are awesome. I've had a great time taking pictures of all the delicious food. Not only is there a bunch of recipes that you've seen before from Rick, but you also get to see some from other people you might have seen in videos. There's a burgoo from Tim, that's his famous mom's recipe. There's Josh's peaches and turkey. You can even see some of Laura's beer can chicken, so there's lots of good things to check out. We got smoked buffalo chicken dip, Rick's Hawaiian sliders, loaded potato skins, spicy barbecue chicken wings, and tons more. The recipe book will come in paperback and is available right now. This will be a limited run, so don't wait. Order now and your copy should arrive before Christmas. Thank you to everyone who was asking for this. I had a great time putting it together. I hope you guys enjoy.